Hey everyone, welcome back to the Tools Guys. Today, we're diving into the world of outdoor heating with a product that promises warmth and convenience. It's the PANERGY Outdoor Propane Heater. Before we jump into the details, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated on all our reviews. Now let's get into it. First things first, let's talk about the unboxing experience. Opening up the PANERGY Outdoor Propane Heater, you'll find everything neatly packed. Inside, you get the heater itself, clear instructions, and safety guidelines. It's always a good start when a company pays attention to the details of packaging. Now let's talk about design. The PANERGY heater has a sleek, compact design measuring. It's not just about functionality. They've managed to make it look good too. The handle on top adds to its portability, making it easy to move around and position wherever you need it. Here's where the PANERGY heater really shines heating performance. With 6,000 or 7,500 B2s of heat output, this portable propane heater is a powerhouse. It can warm up to 200 square feet of space in a matter of minutes. Perfect for those chilly evenings on your patio, camping trips, or even at construction sites. Now, safety is a top priority, and PANERGY knows that. They've included a tip-over safety switch and an oxygen depletion sensor. This means if the unit accidentally falls over, or if oxygen levels drop, the heater will shut down automatically. It's ANSI or CSA, certified for your peace of mind. Let's talk money. Operating on liquefied propane gas, this heater is a cost-effective solution. Say goodbye to high electricity bills. Whether you're enjoying your outdoor spaces or dealing with power outages during storms, the PANERGY heater has got you covered. And the best part? It's not just limited to one setting. You can use this heater in various environments from your backyard to camping trips and even on construction sites. It's versatile, providing warmth wherever you need it. So, wrapping it up, the PANERGY Outdoor Propane Heater impresses with its design, heating performance, safety features, and versatility. If you're looking to extend your outdoor time comfortably, this might just be the solution you need. If you found this review helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone looking for a reliable outdoor heater. Until next time, stay warm,